In today's episode, we're tackling one of the bigger projects in the Mustang build. In today's video, we're taking out that old front core support that's damaged, heavily rusted, and putting in our great new one. So let's go ahead and look up what we're gonna need to do. So the front core support is basically held on by this bracket here, which is spot welded, along with a few other spots on the vehicle down here. As you can see, it's a good amount of spot welds. So basically we just have to go through, find all the spot welds, cut those out. So here is that spot weld removal tool. Here is the kit it came with. It's a bunch of replacement heads. I don't think we'll need a lot of them. So I'm gonna go through, center punch all the ones I can find, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so it is now quite a bit later. As you saw, the GoPro fell, but I do have one side off. AP was actually able to free one little spot weld that I was having a problem with getting off. But now I'm on to this other side. So it appears the tool has broken. Let me see if I can show you on the GoPro. Looks like the thread's ripped right out. So it looks like I'm ordering another one of those. Until then. So here is that old core support out finally, and the new one sitting there. It's obviously not fitting yet. I need to clean up a lot of the welds and push them back in. Well, I'm not actually sure if I've talked about this yet, but for the front core support now, I'm going to be using rib nuts. It's not going to be welded back on. I want it to be a really simple swap procedure. So I'm going to see how many I need to use. Once I get this all cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and prep it and mark all the locations, and I guess I'll show you what we come up with.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so we have the front core support mounted up. I've got it ratchet stratted down to keep it all the way into the back here. I've got two holes currently drilled up front. I'm using the M6 rib nut tool to get these in. I've done two up top here. I did one over here so far. Those are for the top plates, which you can't replace, so they're gonna have a few holes in them. But I've had one of these mounted. So this one mounts here. That's the only thing holding this up right now, other than the ratchet strap. I'm really gonna go through all my M6 mounts, or M6 rib nut bits. I've ordered more, and I'm gonna end up using a few smaller ones for these edges here. I just want to make all the parts of this really firmed up like it's usually welded on, but with the ease of being able to take it out, because this will be really easy. Once we get this done, we're gonna go ahead and clean this whole engine bay out. So I'll remove everything in here, go through, probably wash that out, sand it down, spray it with new black, and then I mean, from there we put the engine in. Yeah, as of now, I'll just go ahead and drill some more holes, and then go through with the tool and install the rib nuts. so I've gone ahead and finished up pretty much the front core support. There's a few more things I want to put on, but for now that's done. What I've done is gone ahead and taken the fenders off and a few of the other things. AP's helping. I'll show you what else we've been doing. So this car originally had cruise control. I went ahead and took that off. We were taking off all the wiring, as you can see. We're just getting the engine bay cleared. As you can see, we're getting there. Maybe see about cleaning this up a little bit. We're definitely going to be painting this. I'm not sure what color yet. Maybe just do it black, or I can try to match up the green again. I do have to take care of a bunch of rust spots. Just polish these down and seal them. This is like a little vacuum thing. I'm not sure if I can delete this with the swap I'm doing. So I have to do a little research on that myself. But yeah, I'm taking the original wiring harness out. We have the other one right over here. Alright guys, that's where I'm going to leave the front clip for now. Next episode we're going to go ahead and paint the engine bay and go from there. Hopefully get the engine in here soon. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that like button and leave us a comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye.